wa ciumia igĩrĩ ciũkĩte Mũingĩ nĩ ũkũheo mweke ga gũtũma mawoni mao igũrũ rĩgiĩ mendekithia ma ndereti ya kĩgĩna, na thutha ũcio kamĩtĩ ya kĩgĩna yanjĩrĩria gũtabania gĩikaro kana cikaro cia gũthikĩrĩria wendi wa Mũingĩ igũrũ rĩa ndereti ĩno ya kũngania magoti. Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa kamĩtĩ ya kĩgĩna mbunge-inĩ nĩwe Kuria Kĩmani augĩte indo imwe ta mũgate kũgathĩkĩrwo magoti ma gĩcunjĩ gĩa 16 harĩ igana nĩ kũhonokia mbeca iratĩmĩra ciringi birioni magana matatu iria thirikari ikoretwo ikirugamirira indo ici itarihagirwo magoti.
There has been a lot of tax expenditures around exemptions. So the bill proposes to move very many items that were previously zero rated to tax exempt. And this will save, we spend around 293 billion shillings every year on tax expenditure. And now the impact assessment of this is that this is not necessarily transferred to the value of the consumers. And so that is why there's a raft of proposals now to delete all this from zero rate and now make them exempt. Of course now, and that also includes moving bread from zero rated to VAT. I think bread is moving to be a VAT. But I think a robust conversation we need to have is on motor circulation tax. And we welcome members of the public on their views about this. So the import of course is not just to generate revenue, but also take care of remissions. I would like to inform the public and assure them that the exercise of public participation is not an exercise in futility, that there are actually changes that will happen. However, again, when you're looking at the changes, we have to look what are the numbers. And that's why I'm encouraging this conversation. Let's not just have a conversation about the revenue. Let's also have a conversation about what that money is going to do. So as we have a robust conversation about what we are being taxed, please check on the budget where that money is going to and have your voice heard. So while you feel that money is going to waste, please go and have your views be heard. So that at the end of the day, we must balance the budget. You cannot pass the budget like this and without financing it. So we have to do that balancing act. So I encourage the conversation about not just the taxes, but also the expenditures.